Canto will help you grow. Nurture your talent, let it flow. Inspire.
When my wife and I signed up our daughter Jasmine for the workshop with Canto, it was an amazing opportunity for us to help her to develop in her singing and in her dancing. Also in working with the team. She's always been a person who loves to dance. Her body's always moving. She's like 10 years old, and of course she loves to sing. But it's different to work together with a team. And so that was really the powerful thing, was getting her into working with other people in her age range who also are in development. And so that was really, really good for her. Since joining, we've seen in our daughter Jasmine some changes such as increased confidence, a greater sense of clarity about why she loves music and why she loves to dance, why she loves to move her body. And it's been awesome because though she was always singing and dancing around the house before, it's increased even more. And I think she's going to continue in this learning journey, which is really, really exciting because it's awesome to unlock the artistic and creative potential of our kids. For sure, both my wife and I would recommend this workshop to other kids. I think it's mainly because the facilitators are not only really skilled, but they really care about the kids. The kids are completely safe with these facilitators. They're supported. They feel like they belong. And the facilitators really come to the level of the kids, and they make sure that everybody has a role, that everybody feels included, that everybody grows and learns and develops. And for sure, we would recommend, as a matter of fact, we're going to be enrolling our daughter again. So thank you.
Show the world your light so fine. At Canto, we let you shine.